Success is contagious, and now it's easier than ever to catch the bug. Welcome to Maxlaser Academy, where we give you the skills to grow, create, and thrive. Whether you're working with laser machines, UV or DTF printers, or just looking to build your own brand, this is where your next chapter begins. Inside Maxlaser Academy, you'll get access to real-world skills for creative businesses, CorelDRAW design courses, beginner to advanced, built for both laser and printing workflows, how to build your own website using WordPress, no coding needed, basic SEO training so people can actually find your products online, bookkeeping for business owners, learn how to capture payments and receipts, balance your books, follow up on unpaid invoices, and manage your finances without needing to hire a bookkeeper. AI for business, how to use AI tools for marketing, product ideas, and everyday efficiency.
Before Maxlaser Academy, I had never used a laser or printing machine before. Honestly, I didn't even know where to start. But through the Academy, I learned how to design in CorelDRAW, prep files, and bring my ideas to life. Now I can confidently create designs for both printing and engraving. And I've even started creating products of my own. If I could learn it from scratch, so can you.
Maxlaser Academy is made for creators, makers, side hustlers, and small business owners. You don't need experience. You need the right tools and guidance. Whether you're running a print-on-demand studio, a laser engraving business, or just dreaming of your first product, we've got you. And we're always adding new content, always evolving. This is more than a course. It's a creative community.